Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to download and install Minecraft on PC. There are two ways to do it. The first is through the Microsoft Store. Go to the Microsoft Store, type Minecraft in the search bar. You'll see a bunch of different Minecrafts, including some alternatives. Here's the original Minecraft, which is paid, of course. Go ahead and check it out. It's somewhere around $20. You buy it and you play. I've already bought it myself. You can install it and start playing. The second way is through the official website. Open any browser and type Minecraft in the address bar. Hit enter, go to the site, click on the store, then click download. You download the launcher. If you've already bought it, just run the launcher. If not, click buy Minecraft. Select your platform here and make your purchase. There's a standard offer, as you can see. It's $25 or so, and you just click buy. And that's it. This was Valor. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.